Guys, about saying welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So guys, it's been a really crazy week, honestly. So guys, we're about to start another challenge. I'm about to start another challenge, which is trading $100 to $1,000, and this is the first episode. So I did a $10 to $100 challenge a few months ago, but I wasn't able to complete the challenge because I had some investors I was working with them. So that took my attention away from the challenge. So trying to trade and make content and trade the account too, it was a lot. It was a lot. So but now I'm done with that. I'm done with that challenge. Now it's a new challenge now, which is trading $100 to $1,000. So I don't know how it is gonna go. I don't know because we are trading. There's nothing guaranteed in trading, so we don't know what is gonna happen in the market. We just try to predict the market and know if it's gonna work in our favor or not. So I am looking for a setup on gold today. Today is Monday. I'm looking for a setup on gold. So anyhow it's gonna go, whether I'm gonna trade it or not, I'm still gonna update you guys. So stay tuned, guys.
Guys, I'm currently on a buy on gold right now, and it's currently running about 15 pips. So gold has been kind of very bullish, so I'm currently in a buy right now. So let's see how it's gonna go, guys.
Guys, this is the first trade on the account. I was able to close the trade with about $22, which is kind of really amazing. So initially the trade was supposed to run about $30 to $40. So I broke even one position, which gold is a very crazy pair. I trade gold, so gold had to reverse back to my entry, stop me out at break even, and went straight to my take profit. It's kind of a very annoying experience. I was almost triggered to take a re-entry, but I had a mindset of I am not trying to make money. I am not being desperate about making money on the account. I just want to grow it as time goes by, depending on the time I can grow the account too. I'm not setting a time frame on the account, so not trying to pressure myself into taking unnecessary trade. It is just a way to grow the account and just track my progress. So today was amazing. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Let's see how tomorrow is gonna go. Whether I'm gonna trade or not, I'm still gonna update you guys. So we are currently at $22 now. We are up about 20%. So stay tuned. So guys, today is Thursday. So yesterday wasn't really good. I lost about $10 on the account from the $20 I made on Tuesday. So I'm down 10% right now. So I'm watching for a setup on gold. I'm looking for a setup on gold. So but I'm not really trying to chase profit or try to make money one way or the other. I'm not really in that. Immediately I lost that $10, I just left it. I'm not desperate to make money. So I just want to grow the account to $1,000. Anytime it's gonna take me, maybe it's 1 month, maybe it's 2 months, I'll keep trading it till I get to that phase. I'm not trying to pressure myself. So that is one thing about trading. That's one thing I told you guys. When you are a trader, you have to have other things you are doing, which is bringing you income. So you have to focus about trading, just being desperate to make money online. So what if you're not being able to? I have not traded for like 2 weeks, and how am I surviving? Because of the business I have. Because as a human being, you have to be generating constant income to keep yourself afloat. If these incomes are not coming in, you will go broke one way or the other. So, and trading can't give you that. Trading can't give you this constant profits. Don't forget about all these things these gurus are telling you on the internet. Trading is beyond these things. Trading is something that gives you money, to give you that money in bulk. So it won't give you, trading can't give you consistent. I just used to laugh when I see some videos, and it makes me angry because a lot of people are falling for all these tricks. How can somebody tell you can make consistent profit from trading? You can't. Forget the reality. You can't. If those gurus are really sure about how trading is and telling you guys you can make consistent profit from trading, let them do a live stream video. Let them do a 7 days live stream videos every day come into the chart and look if they can really do that. You can't make consistent profit from trading. You can make it, but you can't tell me that every day you can make money every day without losing. Because consistency doesn't really mean you make money. The way they make it sound, the way these people make it sound as if trading is one kind of easy thing. Trading is not easy. It's only easy when your mind is at rest, when you are not bothered about what the market does. You are not surviving on what the market is trying to give to you. You're just using it to add to what you have. That is when trading will be easy for you, because you will not be all your mind, all your heart will not be poured into just one single trade. You have it at the back of your mind that, okay, if this trade goes into loss, if this trade doesn't goes well, I still have something to fall back to. That is what trading should be about. So guys, let me show you guys what I'm looking at on gold. Let's see what is going on the chart.
So guys, before we go to the chart, I want to introduce you to my watch brand, which is called watchlovers.ng. So guys, I sell watches. This is a new brand I'm working on. So it's currently a new business and a new brand. So I have a TikTok page in the description. I'm only on TikTok for now. So, and I also have a catalog on WhatsApp. So these are the watches I currently have in stock. There is also some collections inside, but I don't want this video to be too long. And these watches are very, very affordable. These are G-Shock watches. These are amazing G-Shock watches. So you will see better picture quality on the catalog. So all these watches are going for just 28,500 naira, and I deliver nationwide. If you are Lagos, anywhere you are, in as much as you are Nigeria, I deliver nationwide. So if you would love to get any of these amazing watches, I have different collections, different design. This is another design right here. This is also another design. This is another design, different design, different colors. So if you want to get any of these watches, just send me the first WhatsApp link in the description will be the WhatsApp link for this watches. Send me a DM if you would love to get any of these beautiful watches. So guys, this was the trade I took yesterday on gold. The trade actually went down a little bit. It went down a little bit, as you can see here, it went down a little bit, then it just stopped me out, but that's all right though. And I was expecting a buy here, and I almost set a limit order here, but I was expecting market to create liquidity, then sweep it out before I could set the limit order. So that is why I did not set the limit order. And see what happened, just strike through the limit order, and I already had this zone planned out. So I am expecting a buy from this zone. So let's see what the market is gonna do, guys. So now market has created something like a liquidity here, so I'm expecting market to come, take out this low here, tap into the zone, then we can buy from here. So this is my new view on gold right now. So though I'm looking for a sell here, and this is my main setup, but I'm not sure I'll be trading this sell because the way market has formed liquidity here is not really convincing for me. So I want to see like a double top, and I see the double top and the market sweep out the double top and tap into the zone. That is when I will validate it as a liquidity sweep, because if market comes to this area and close above here, it might just be a breakout and the market might just continue pushing to the upside. I don't want to be taking that kind of risk. But I'm more comfortable trading this buy than this. I'm not sure I'll be trading this, but if I see any convincing confluences here, I might trade it depending on what the market does. So stay tuned, guys.
Today's Saturday, it's the last day of the week, and yesterday was a blast, guys. Yesterday was a real blast. So remember the sell trade I told you guys I wasn't supposed to trade, that I never intend to trade. I later took that trade, but I lost a very, very little amount on that trade, and I closed the trade early because the trade just went straight up, and it's just destroyed the stop loss. So I ended up closing the trade with just a little loss. And yesterday again, I took a buy position on gold, which stopped me out again because of the stop loss wasn't really good enough, and the entry was bad, and it swept away my stop loss. And I took another entry which made me recover all the losses I have taken. So because the trade had the potential. One thing about trading is that when you see that, okay, this setup, sometimes a trade can hit your SL, and you still know that, okay, I think what went wrong. That's one thing about trading. What went wrong? What did I do wrong? And you still see, okay, you still believe in what you are doing, there's nothing wrong in taking a re-entry. So I took a re-entry, and it favored me handsomely. I made all the losses I have taken, and still made extra profit, and then we are up 40% on the account, which is really, really amazing. The account was about 50% plus, but I still have a running position on the account. Which I still want to hold for more. But though that one could reverse to my entry, but it's all good. It's all good. At the end of the day, guys, let me just show you guys how the trade. Let me just give you guys a quick breakdown on how the trade went. So guys, this is the trades I took. So this is the sell trade I took somewhere around here. So it was just ranging. So when the trades just reversed into this area, I saw this huge bullish candle. I just closed the trade because I wasn't sure about it anymore. So I went down a little bit, and it ranged and went to stop loss. So this was the trade I took yesterday. I took this trade, a buy somewhere around there, and it stopped me out at first. I took a re-entry. So because the market had to sweep liquidity, and before so I saw the liquidity sweep, because I wasn't looking out for that, because I was just looking for a breakout and it but it had to do a liquidity sweep before it pushed. So I followed with the trend. So I took out some positions around there. I still have one current running position, and it's currently approaching my break even. Whether it's going to break me even, maybe not, and maybe it's going to break me even, we don't know. So that is just the breakdown of these 3 trades. That's just the breakdown of my chart. So for the week now, I'm up about $42. It was a great week. I never even expected this return. I never expected this, but it's all good though. Let's see how next week is gonna go. Let's pray for a better week next week. So we are up about 42% on the account, which is really, really amazing. I still have an unrealized profit yet, but the current balance now is $142 plus. So it's really amazing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, support me in any way, share. So anybody that can find inspiration in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.